Hey AllHome subscribers, this is Gideon Hermosa. I'm an international event designer and we are here at Vita Toscana, crowned Asia's smart home to explore the wide selections of dinnerware and more from AllHome. Are you thinking on how to design your dining table this Christmas? Or how are you going to make your Christmas dinner with your loved ones at home extra special? Make this coming holiday moment a blast without needing to go outside to have a Christmas dinner with these tablescape ideas and tips that I am going to share with you. Usually, when I do my centerpieces, I always use floral foam to keep my fresh flowers and leaves hydrated. Leaves, you guys can actually get it from your garden. Whenever you do your centerpieces, make sure it's low enough for you guys to see the person across your seat. And for you guys to do that, you can pull out a chair and check. Yan. So at least yung eye level, it's low enough to see the person in your front. Tsaka the reason why I mixed fabric flowers with real ones for you guys to reuse this one. So we are using mag actually as vase, so you can reuse this one. I mean, of course, you usually use this one for your coffee or hot chocolate every morning. But for this one, I want to utilize it as floral vase. So, and we are using red hydrangeas from AllHome. What I love about floral selection from AllHome, they look like real. Most of their colors are almost the same as real. At the same time, even the shape. So whenever I choose fabric flowers, that's one thing that I always check on if they look like real flowers. From the size, the color, and the shape. And that's really important. And for sure, later on, you won't notice the fabric flowers with fresh flowers. Kasi AllHome flowers looks real. Overlays are just a matter of using different sizes, textures, and colors of various plants and flowers. This makes your tablescape appear bigger and more natural. So now I'm adding water dun sa mag natin because we are adding fresh roses on the arrangements. We are now adding the fresh roses on our arrangement. O diba? You won't notice that the hydrangeas are actually fabric because you added fresh roses. So another tip, whenever you use roses, either fabric or fresh, what we usually do, we flex the petals to make it look bigger and more beautiful. So how will you flex the petals? Ayan, i-flex lang natin siya one by one. That's a big difference, diba? And it looks more blue than this one. And whenever you use fresh flowers, fresh leaves, or any fresh accessories, we always cut the stems in slanting position. The flowers can drink more water. So we are adding tulips and we are flexing the petals also. Fresh flowers can be expensive during the holiday season. You can opt to use fabric flowers as well, which you can find at AllHome. You can reuse them for the occasions or you can decorate your home with them. So to complete our tablescape, we're adding Christmas balls to make it look more festive. One of the quickest way to decorate your home for Christmas is by creating a tablescape. No need to hang anything. Convert Christmas balls to festive decors and elevate your dining table. And now we are ready with our centerpieces. So final touches will be our tabletop and everything is from AllHome. As a designer, we know we feast with the eyes. These plates will be the perfect background for your yummy dishes. And for utensils, use gold for contrast and shine. AllHome has a variety of dinnerware perfect for your Christmas dinner. Okay, so for the finishing touches, we are adding stars on the tabletop. Okay. Never underestimate the power of small objects. You can use ornaments that you can find in the decor section of AllHome to dress up your tablescape. You can add them around or even as a topper to your table napkins. To add a romantic vibe for all the tablescape, we are adding votive with candle inside. So if you don't have votives, you can actually use small glasses like either shot glasses or sometimes yung drinking glasses. You can use that. Put water, like a small amount of water, then add tea lights. For me, I like putting them in pair usually, so it adds volume. So instead of putting like one votives in between, I usually put two, so parang partner siya to add volume. Candles are not the only one that comes in twos. You can do figurines and small planters. Okay, so to complete the whole look, of course, we want to accessorize the chairs also. We are combining both foliage, like this, to form like a ribbon. And we will tie it with, of course, our floral wire. And then, of course, we are adding eucalyptus leaves also. To attach our chair accent, we are using floral wire also. Yan. And of course, to complete the whole look, we are adding a stem of rose. There you have it! A festive tablescape that is truly celebrating the holidays. Recreate this by visiting AllHome for beautiful decors and floral fabrics.